Hey everyone! Today we're checking out Opal, Google's new AI tool that builds apps from a simple prompt. Unlike other tools, Opal doesn't write code, it gives you a visual editor where you can drag, drop, and customize your app. It also uses Google's AI models, so if your app needs images, Opal will generate them for you automatically. Let's dive in and see how it works. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content. To try it, go to opal.withgoogle.com. I've linked it in the description. Just sign in with your Google account, and you'll see the interface along with some ready-made demo apps to explore. Alright, let's check out some examples together. For instance, here we've got a blog article writer tool, and honestly, it really reminds me of how N8N works. But here's the key difference. Everything here runs on natural language only. No complicated setup, no complex configurations. All you do is type your instructions, and the rest happens automatically. Pretty cool, right? And just like N8N, you can click into any step, and at the top, you'll see different options, where you can actually choose which Google models to use. This is such a fresh way to build workflows and experiment with image generation, banner creation, or article publishing. So let's give it a try. Let's start with the article writer. So you can simply just click on the Start button, and after that, you can just provide a blog topic. I'll pick a topic, how recent investments are shaping the no-code industry, and what impact they may have on its future growth. Let's see how it handles that. Alright, so now the AI has started doing its research, and you can clearly see it running that process again. Notice this step, it's currently active inside the workflow, meaning it's actually executing right now. This feels a lot like N8N, where you can always tell exactly which step is happening at the moment. And look at this, it's just moved on to creating an outline. And from there, it jumps straight into generating a banner image. So first, it wrote the outline, then it created the banner, and now it's starting to write the full blog post. The next step will be to actually display that post. Honestly, it's super simple. Anyone can use this to build small apps like this, or even automate their own workflows and create personalized tools on the platform. This is definitely going to be useful for a lot of people. And now all the steps are complete, and here's the final result, a fully finished blog post. You can see the title right at the top, followed by a featured image that was generated specifically for it, and then the main content written out in a clean, professional style. The result honestly looks like a polished, high-quality blog post, with a visual touch that makes it stand out even more. This is impressive. It really shows the power of this tool to create complete content from start to finish. Alright, this is really good. Let's check out what else we've got here. A business profile, learning with YouTube, and video marketer. And honestly, like so many creators out there, I've always struggled with YouTube thumbnails, so I thought, why not test it? Here's what I asked it to do. Create a YouTube thumbnail based on the provided video link. Read the video content carefully, extract the main idea and theme, then design a clean, modern, and eye-catching cover. Keep it simple but powerful, just 3 to 4 strong words on the thumbnail, and make sure my channel logo blends naturally into the design. Focus on visually capturing the essence of the video with professional color balance and a modern style. The dimension if the thumbnail should be 1920 by 1080. And honestly, it executed this insanely fast. The steps were super clear. I just dropped in the YouTube link, it generated a description, created the thumbnail, and displayed it right inside the HTML. Done. I entered my channel link, and within seconds the result was ready. And wow, the result was stunning. The tool actually pulled a frame straight from the video itself, then built a clean, professional-looking thumbnail around it. The effects were spot on. It captured the context of the video, added lighting, and layered the text in such a balanced way. I've got to say, this is impressive. I think this tool could become essential for every content creator. I tried another link. Hit send, and boom, another amazing result. It captured every detail of the video and turned it into a bold thumbnail with a crystal clear message. The final verdict? Absolute game changer. And to think, this all happened from just one single prompt. Truly an exceptional experience. Now, for example, let's say I want to build an AI-powered image generator. The idea is simple. Users type in a text prompt, hit a button, and instantly get an image based on that prompt. So first you need to click on this button right here called Create New. I'll just name my app AI Image General. After that, all I have to do is describe exactly what I want. So here's the prompt I'll give it. Build an AI-powered image generator where users enter a text prompt and, by clicking a button, get an image based on their input. The app should be fast, intuitive, and visually accurate. Now I just hit Submit, and in seconds, Opal has created the entire app for me. What actually happened here is the system read my prompt and automatically added all the necessary nodes. We start with an input box where users can type their prompt, then a generation node that produces the image, and finally a display node to show the result. So yeah, these are all the nodes available. Basically, Opal works as a node-based app builder, user input, generation or processing, displaying the output. And as you can see here, you've got user input, output generation, adding resources, all automatically connected. The moment you provide a text prompt, the AI builds the workflow for you. And just like that, the app is ready to go. All right, now I'm going to click on the Start button, and as you can see, it opens up a field asking me to enter a descriptive prompt. So let's type something like, a serene mountain landscape at sunrise, with mist in the valleys and soft golden light, in a realistic style. That's the prompt I'm giving it. Now I'll just hit Submit right here, and look, you can see the message saying Generating Image. We've entered the prompt in the input field, and now the second node, the image generation node, is doing its work. I think it's actually using Google's Imagen model for this. Okay, that part's done. The image generation is complete, and now the interactive interface is displaying the result. Let's give it a second, and here it is, the image. Wow, this looks amazing! I can even open it in a new tab to download and save it. In this case, we just entered a simple text prompt, and Opal built an AI image generator app for us. Pretty awesome! All right, now let's move on to the final step, video generation. Here's the prompt I'll give it. Create a simple application with a modern and simple UI design, where I can type a video prompt in a box, click a button, and then get a video based on what I wrote. Pretty straightforward, right? Paste in a descriptive prompt, hit Submit, and within a minute or less, the AI generates the video. So let's wait just a bit. And there it is, my app is ready in literally under a minute. Super quick! Now I can just hit the Start button, paste in my prompt, and press Enter. The AI immediately starts generating. And in less than a minute, boom, the video is ready. And wow, look at this. The quality is amazing. And the best part? No watermark. It's completely free, 100% free. Honestly, this is just incredible. I'm blown away by how powerful this is. All right, so here we've got an app called Video Marketer. Let's open it up real quick. And this is how the app looks. It's definitely a bit more advanced compared to the simpler ones we've seen. It says create AI video ads for your product and target audience. Looks like it's using the VO3 AI model to generate videos based on the inputs you give it. Up here you can see all the nodes connected together, and the prompts attached to each one. From what I can tell, it's also using VO for generating images that fit into the video description. And if you want, you can actually explore all these different workflows and apps inside the gallery section. Pretty cool, right? And of course, if you want to build something new, all you have to do is click this button right here and create your app instantly just by writing a prompt. So yeah, that's the full workflow of using Opal to build small AI-powered apps. You can click the link in the description below to head over to opal.withgoogle.com. If you're outside the US, just use a VPN to get access. Once you're in, sign in with your Google account and you can start creating your own apps right away. And that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.